So this is my tutorial on how to make bacon using a Mac. I do have a paper towel ready here. I've been cooking it for about a minute. You can kind of see that it's starting to grease up. So I'm just going to get the excess real quick, make sure it doesn't go into my fan, which almost does. Okay, so the bacon is starting to get a bit warm. Whew. So I'm just going to use the fork that I've got to flip it real quick. Oh, there's a dog hair on my fork. 1 second. Alright. We're just gonna flip it. Oh, jeez. Better get that grease. Fuck. Ow. Fuck. There we go. So I'm throwing another slice on top so that my dog can have one. You can kind of see that this one, in comparison to this, it is actually cooking on top of my Mac, so just put it on the old fryer. My bacon's almost done. Kind of sad because you can't hear any sizzling over the sound of my Mac crying, but you can feel it on the fork. Yeah. Oh, there's some grease dripping. If your bacon is not cooking fast enough, you can always open up additional apps on the Mac to. Alright, so there you have it. Macs are in fact hot enough to cook bacon on. Here you go, buddy.